is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from My Crate. Go over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. This is CupStar Shrimp Tensoba from Sapporo Ichiban. That's Sanyo Foods of Japan. And as I said in the last episode, I'm on a time crunch today, so bam bam. I'm gonna try to get more things done than are humanly possible in a short period of time. I've had my caffeine. I'm raring to Did I get it all over the stove? I don't think I did. Wow, cool. 3 minutes go. I still don't like the timer. And yeah. So this weekend we're gonna go get our Christmas tree. We go to this place over in Edmonds, Washington every year called Country Farms, and during the summer, spring and summer, early fall, it's a produce place. Before Halloween we get our pumpkins there, and for Christmas we get our trees there. So neat place, old school, farm to market. Yeah. And yeah, so I got to move everything around here. So in the episodes, probably not the next one, but the one after that, there's a good chance you'll see a tree there all of a sudden appear. And I know it's March for you, but it's not for me. I'm really far ahead. This week, let's see, I skipped doing reviews yesterday, and this week I will have done, it's Friday, I'll have done 12 reviews this week. So it piles up quick. I get ahead, which I like. It's a nice place to be. That means I can, like, I might take next week off and get the Ramen Raiders Top 10 Spiciest Instant Noodles of All Time 2022 edition ready before Christmas. So that's my plan. I'm sticking to it. It's tricky though, because it's like I have to manage my time so freaking like exact. It's like 7:50 now. This will be done in probably a minute and a half, and then I'll be ready to do the next one probably in about 8. And then I got to do that one. At least that one's microwavable, and all I'm going to do is add some spring onion to that. So then I've got to do the mukbang. I got to give my kid a banana. Got to get him ready for school. Got to get him to the bus. Then I come back. So that's good. I mean, that's all I got to do. Oh yeah, then I got to get her ready, have her lunch, get her ready for school. And then after that, go walk all over the place, get back, try to get in at least 10 miles of walking today. Man, we had a good deal on soup. Down at the store, they had buy 2, get 3 free. And usually they're just like the worst price on the soup I like. And I ended up getting, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, went down there, carried home 15 cans of Progresso soup. Yesterday, around lunch, I went down there and did the same thing, except I've got 20 cans. It was heavy, but that makes it fun. And the challenge of it all. All right, so here we are with our shrimp tensoba. It looks very, very lugubrious and flavorful. It smells very shrimpy. It smells like buckwheat. Not like the Little Rascals buckwheat. I don't know what he smelled like. Looks to be a kind of flat, thinner noodle. Not as expected. Look, it's even got a flower. It's called flower foo. That's flour fish cake. What we have here is that shrimp. That's whole fish with shell, or shrimp with shell. Here's one of these pieces. I think that's another one. It tastes good, although I could say I'm not a super huge fan of the texture. I don't like shells, I gotta say, and it could have hydrated a little better. But it's packing some fascination. Okay. My son said the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me yesterday. So they watched this Daniel Tiger show, and yeah, I know I don't have any shrimp to put on today, so I'm just gonna like lavish it with chashu. Anyways, I've got 2 eggs left. Oh man. That's no bueno. That means I have to use another egg. I guess I'll use it in the mukbang, but I wasn't planning on eating that much. But they have like this episode of Daniel Tiger where they get shots. I'm gonna freaked out of getting the shots. So the mom on that show. So when I'm afraid of something, I go and think of something happy. When I'm afraid. And then what did he say? He said, when I'm afraid, I think of Papa and taking the trash out. I'm like, that's nice. He likes to take the trash out with me quite a bit, so that's a nice thing. It's nice to know that your kids look to you for safety and happiness. That is enjoyable. But unfortunately, this noodle can't look for approval from me because I'm sorry. It's the shell. It was really good except for the shell. No. Cool, thanks for watching. The next one I'm going to do came from James from Lakeside, California. He shot this up to me. Thank you very much. This is Paldo Tumsei Cheese, Spicy Cheese Tteokbokki. It's supposed to be really popular in South Korea and really spicy. So, with that, this has been Oz the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.